Former Western Cape Premier Helen Zille has been officially unveiled as the Democratic Alliance's mayoral candidate for the city of Johannesburg in the 2026 local government elections. The announcement was made at a spirited event in Soweto on Saturday, where the leader of the DA, John Steenhuisen, introduced Zille as the daughter of the city. Addressing supporters, he said, "Can we build the Jozi we all love? Yes, we can. And so it is with great pride and even greater urgency that I reintroduce to you your very own DA mayoral candidate for Johannesburg, Helen Zille." The launch was also addressed by the DA Gauteng leader, Solly Msimanga, and the DA Johannesburg chairperson, Wendy Alexander, underscoring the party's push to consolidate its support in the country's economic hub. Zille's candidacy follows months of speculation. In June, she confirmed that she was contemplating running for mayor after being approached to put her hat in the ring, noting that she had first consulted with her family before making a decision. Her selection has drawn interest and even backing from unexpected corners. Political analyst Prince Mashele, known for his outspoken criticism of politicians, said during a July interview on the SMWX podcast with Sizwe Mpofu-Walsh that he would break with precedent and publicly endorse Zille, and said, "Look, if Helen Zille wins the contest to become the mayoral candidate of Johannesburg, I'm going to do something I have never done in my life. I'm going to publicly endorse her." With visible frustration over Johannesburg's decline, he said, "This is big. I'm going to do something that I have never done in my life. Publicly, I will endorse Helen Zille to be mayor of Johannesburg with a heavy heart, the way the ANC has destroyed Johannesburg." Johannesburg used to be the pride of Africa. Parks Tower was part of the destruction of the city. Zille's candidacy positions her at the center of what is expected to be one of the most fiercely contested battles in the 2026 municipal elections. If successful, she would step into the role of leading a city grappling with crumbling infrastructure, unstable coalitions, and widespread concerns over service delivery. For Zille, the move marks a dramatic return to frontline politics in Gauteng and a bid to reshape Johannesburg's future under DA leadership. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.